Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about report scheduler. Okay, first of all we will know what is report scheduler. Okay, the report scheduler is a recurring and automated interface to automatically email you reports or extract you the physical report on a periodic basis. Typically, this is used in a long-running survey, transactional surveys, where you have a continuous data collection stream. Now, how this report scheduler is important in a organization? In every organization, there is a management part where the management expects the report should come automatically to their email, okay, without any physical interference of a person. So without any interference of a person, this report should email to a concerned person. So for this we have a feature in Focus9 ERP. To configure this report scheduler, we have to follow some steps. Okay, those steps I'll just show you. Okay, these are the 14 steps, okay, which we need to follow. First, we need to configure file in CINETpub wroot Focus8 directory. In that you will have one web config file. Okay, you have to open this file using notepad. Okay, then you have to search a string for report scheduler. Okay, and you have to do the below setting. So what I will do is I'll just take you to that particular folder from here. In C drive you will have inetpub wroot Focus8 folder. Okay, these folders you will get only when you install Focus9. When you click on this, here you will see the web.config file. I'll just show you the properties. It is a config file. Okay, here you can see it is a config file. You have to open this file. Okay, you have to open with, you can use the notepad. When this file is open, you search for enable scheduler. Okay, for that you need to press Ctrl F. Okay, then you just type enable scheduler. Okay, then click on find next. Okay, here you will see the string add key equals to enable scheduler. Okay, by default it will be, the value will be 0. You have to change it to 2. So now it is already set to 2. Then after changing this value to 2, you have to just click on cancel and save this file. Okay, once this is saved, okay, just close this. Save this. After saving this, then you have to log into the respective company. Okay, you need to open Focus9 application. Okay, you need to log into the respective company. So I am selecting this company here with my credentials. Okay, I'll just sign in. Okay, after sign in, okay, after sign in, there is one setting to configure. Okay, this is the prong on setting. Okay, you click on settings. In settings you have configuration settings. When you click on configuration settings, here you will see prong on, a component called prong on. Okay, here in the left hand side you see settings, configure transactions. Under this you have a prong on component. Click on prong on component. Here you see on the top you have a checkbox, enable prong on. Okay, make sure that only this option is checked. You should not check these options which are below to the enable prong on. Only this option to be checked, and you have to click on update. Okay, when you click on update, then in the application you need to go to the schedule report. Okay, in application you have schedule report. In the menu search you can select schedule report. Okay, when you click on schedule report, you will get all the report lists which are available in the application, the standard reports as well as the customized reports which are designed through report designer. Okay, in the upcoming session I will also explain how to design reports through a report designer. Okay, here I want to select a sales summary report. I can search here. Okay, here when I search on sales, I am getting many reports. Okay, so I will select the summary sales report. Okay, I am selecting summary sales by date. I'll just double click here. I'll just select this and I will click on this arrow button. Okay, when I click on this arrow button, here it will ask you options to set. Okay, I will select the date range as on date, start date and end date. You can give the end date also. Okay, I just selected this report, then it is giving me the date option. I will select the as on date. Okay, so here it will ask me which account I have to select. So I will select the sales group here, or I can select the individual sales account if needed. Okay, if I want the sales return also, I can tick this option. Okay, if I want this monthly total, I can tick this option. Okay, then I'll press OK. When I press OK, here the report is inserted. Okay, when you double click on this, here the scheduler will open. Here you can see it is asking the output path. Okay, and it is asking what is the output you need, what is the desired output you need. In this you have different formats. You have an Excel format, you have an email format, or you have a file path format, CSV format, HTML format and XML format. Okay, now I am scheduling an XML format. Okay, or I can set an email also. When I click on email, it will ask me the email name here. Okay, I am just selecting an Excel format time being. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go to a folder options. Okay, I'll see I can set this report in this particular path. Okay, I go and copy this path here. Here I am selecting as a minute. Okay, here I am saying every 2 minutes I want to extract this report, and my start time will be 21.02. Okay, and a range of reoccurrence will be never ending. Okay, I just select this scheduler and press OK. Once I press OK, I'll close this. I will close the application. Okay, after closing the application, okay, now we are on the 13th point. Okay, the demo what I have shown you just now, we have covered all these 12 points from 1 to 12. Now we have to reset the IIS. Okay, just search for IIS. Okay, you can select IIS like this and you can restart here. There is a restart button here. Okay, here you can see the restart button. This is one way of restarting IIS. Or what you can do is you can close this. You have a command prompt. Okay, here you have to open this as a administrator mode, run as administrator mode, or you can give a DOS command as IIS reset. This way also you can reset the IIS. Okay, the IIS will stop and it will attempt starting again. Okay, once this is done, you just type exit. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to open the Prongon application tool. Okay, there is a Prongon application tool which is a focus tool. Okay, I'll just open that tool. I have a Prongon on the desktop. I'll just open it. Okay, okay, I will just check whether the Prongon is enabled or not again. I'll go to configure transactions. Okay, I click on Prongon, it is enabled. Okay, I'll just log out. I'll close this. Okay, see here, if the Prongon is enabled, you will get this status. Okay, now the Prongon is enabled. Now I will go and check whether a report is getting scheduled or not. Okay, okay, I'll just go to this folder, see schedule. Now you see I have set the scheduler report in the C path in schedule reports. Now you see the report is generated at 21:35. Okay, let us see when the second report will be generated. I have set for 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes the report should generate. Okay, let's go into Focus. This is our company. Let us open this report and see what is the report extracted. Now you can see summary sales register, it is extracted. Okay, it is giving the date, invoice number, customer name and the gross amount. Okay, if you want to customize this report, you can customize also. Now you see another report, it is generated at 21:37. Okay, so the difference between these two time is 2 minutes. Okay, like this you can schedule the reports. Okay, now this is the Excel extract report. Okay, now if you want to email this report, you need to go to the schedule report again. Okay, you need to double click this and you can select email. Okay, like this you can have different formats of outputs. You can select Excel, email, CSV, HTML and XML. Okay, if you want to configure as an email, you need to delete this report first. Okay, to delete this you have to click on this report. Okay, and click on the left arrow button. Okay, so here it will give the message deleted successfully. If you want to add this report again, then type again sales summary sales register, select here and click the right arrow button. Okay, here you can select the date range as on date. Okay, then you can select the required group name or account name. Okay, then press OK. Okay, after you press OK, double click on this report. Now you can schedule as email. Okay, now when you select as email, you can give the email account name. Okay, when you are giving this email account name, make sure that you can define this recurrence pattern. Okay, again I am giving as per minute, for every 5 minutes it should come. Okay, now the start time will be 21:39. From here it will count 5 minutes and it will fire the report. Okay, when you are configuring this, make sure that you should configure the email settings. Okay, when you go to configure transactions, okay, here you have mail settings. In my previous video in the vendor portal, I have shown you how to configure the vendor portal settings. Those are the same settings which you need to configure here. Okay, you have to give your SMTP address. Okay, you have to give your email ID. Okay, email ID and password. Okay, then you have to click on test email. Okay, if your test email is success, then the emails can be sent from the report scheduler. Okay, this is how you have to schedule the reports. Okay, this is the report scheduler presentation. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you. Okay, in the upcoming video I will show you how to schedule the backup. Okay, so in the next upcoming session we will discuss about backup scheduling. Thank you.